जय श्रीमन्नारायण। हो Purushashrestha, हो the great man Rama, you have the valor which is equivalent to Devendra. With that strength and valor, I am completely defeated, Rama, by you. Oh Rama, now I am realizing that you are Sakshat Purushottama, you are Sriman Narayana. How I am realizing now? Because of the touch of your divine feet, I am able to realize that Kausalya Suprajarama Tata Tvam Vidito Maya. Now I am realizing that the one who is the eternal Father of all the worlds came down as a child to Kausalya Devi. You are Rama. Oh Rama, now I am realizing Vaidehi cha Mahabhaga. I see Sitamma, the one who is the mother of all the worlds, came down as Sitamma. Oh Rama, now I do realize this Lakshmana who is following you to serve you, such a great man. I am realizing this is Lakshmana. Like that, Viradha started offering all of his humbleness, respect to Sri Ramachandra Swami, and expressing that all of his realization that Paramatma himself came down as Rama. And also Viradha saying that, Rama, now let me tell you what exactly happened in my previous time. Why did I become like this, Viradha, the demon? So he is going to tell entire of his story to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Viradha is praying Ramachandra Swami, saying that, oh Rama, also let me tell you what exactly happened to me. Oh Rama, I am Tumbura, I am Gandharva, Tumbururnama Gandharvaha. When I was with Kubera, he is my master. Kubera is my master. But what happened is, when Kubera wanted to have me along with him to do some service to him, I was not there. Because of that, Kubera got so much upset and immediately cursed me because I was not there with him when exactly I was needed. So he said, you will become Rakshasa. Oh Rama, then what happened is, I started praying Kubera. Finally, I could please Kubera. Then Kubera said, oh Tumbura, you will become Rakshasa. But at some point, Dasaratha Maharaju's son Sri Rama will come, and in battlefield, in the fight, in the war, he will kill you. At that time, you will take your own form, you will become again Gandharva, and you will go to heaven, Swargam. Like that, my Kubera blessed me. That is how, oh Rama, Parantapa, with your blessings, now my curse is getting removed. I am getting released from that curse. Oh Rama, now I am going to go to Swargam. May you all be safe. Swasti vostu Parantapa. Like that, Viradha doing Mangala Sasanam to Rama, and also saying that, oh Rama, from here, within just a few miles away, there is a big, nice ashramam. That ashramam belongs to Sarabhanga Maharshi. Ito vasati dharmatma Sarabhangam pratapavan. Such a wonderful and great righteous Maharshi. He has done so much tapasya. Oh Rama, he always will be glowing with so much of light and effulgence. Just like sun, he will be glowing always. Such a great man, great Maharshi is Sarabhanga Maharshi. Rama, tam kshipram abhigaccha. You go there. Te shreyo vidhasyati. From Sarabhanga Maharshi, you will definitely get so much of favor, Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.